In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete a game quest in Discord. The process is simple, but there are a few important details to get right so your progress tracks properly and you can claim your reward without any issues. First, you need to accept the quest. If you're on desktop, click the Discord logo in the top left corner and open the Quests tab. If you don't see it there, you can also go through Discover and then open Quests. Once you find the game you want, click Accept Quest. If you're using mobile, open your profile settings, scroll to the Quest tab under Billing Settings, and tap Accept Quest there. Make sure the quest is accepted before moving on, otherwise your activity may not count. Next, fulfill the game requirements. Open the specific game on your computer, since these quests usually need to detect that exact game running. After that, join a Discord voice channel with at least one friend, or use an alternate account if needed. Once you're in the voice channel, click the Share Your Screen or Go Live icon near the bottom left area of Discord. This next part is especially important. When Discord gives you streaming options, choose the game application window itself, not your full desktop or entire screen. That helps Discord recognize the quest correctly. After you start streaming, just leave the stream running for the required amount of time. In most cases, that's around 15 to 30 minutes, but always follow the timer shown in the quest details. Once the timer is finished, head back to the Quests menu in Discord. You should see that the quest is complete. From there, click Claim Reward to receive whatever the quest offers, such as a profile decoration, a game code, or Discord orbs. If your progress doesn't update right away, give it a moment and check that you streamed the game window specifically. That's it, and you're all set.